Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. I'm a computer science engineer and aspiring data scientist. I make videos about data science, machine learning, deep learning and Python, etc. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome to the course. It is a part 1 in the Python series. So let's have a look at agenda. So let's begin the agenda with the concept what is Python, and then moving forward we have history of Python, and then we'll discuss that what are the features of Python programming language, and we'll see that what are the advantages and disadvantages of Python, and we end up the lecture with the applications of Python programming language. Author of Python, Guido van Rossum. He is the man who introduced Python programming language in the year of 1991 in Netherlands. So let's begin with the question, what is Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. So let's understand what is Python in depth with an image, the process to generate the output. So first you have to write a high-level Python code, right? And then save the written code in .py file extension and then pass it to the interpreter which converts high level language to the low level language, and then interpreter generates a bytecode file, zeros or ones, because the machine understands only the zeros or ones, and then after that it will generate output. The output will be get printed on the screen. So the only 5 steps you have to remember. Number 1, write a high level Python code and then save the code in .py file extension and pass it to the interpreter. And step 4, it will generate a bytecode file, zeros or ones, and then the final step, the output will get printed on the screen. Let's have a look at history of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, who was a Dutch person from Netherlands in the year 1991. Guido van Rossum created it when he was working in the National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. He thought to create a scripting language as a hobby in Christmas break in 1980. He studied all languages like ABC, C language, C++, Modular 3, Smalltalk, Algol 68 and Unix shell. He collected best features. By learning all these programming languages, he collected some features and he started implementing it from 1988 and finished and released the first working version of Python in 1991. He named it as Python, being a big fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus comedy show broadcasted in BBC from 1968 to 1974. Let's see the timeline of Python in different versions. In the year 1994 Jan, we got the Python 1.0 version, and then moving forward December 1997 we got the Python 1.5 version, and then moving forward up to the 2016 December we got Python 3.6 version, which becomes the most famous version of Python, and people started noticing the Python programming language by this year 2016, and it becomes the most famous language to learn in the year of 2016. Now let's have a look at features of Python. Number 1, we have readable. Python is a readable programming language. And number 2, easy to learn. It is a bit easy to learn when it compares to the other programming languages like C, C++, Java. And then it is a cross platform. It can run on any platform. And number 4, open source. The documentation of the Python is freely available in the Google. Large standard library. It supports exception handling and it has advanced features. It's a high level language. It's a free language and automatic memory management system. Now let's see what are the advantages of Python programming language. These all are the advantages of Python programming language. So let's see one by one in depth. Number 1, extensive libraries. Python supports extensive libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, etc. And number 2, embeddable. Python is a easily embeddable language. And number 3, it supports IoT opportunities. It have lots of IoT opportunities in the field. And number 4, readable. Python is a readable language. Everyone can read Python programming language. And number 5, free and open source. The documentation of the Python is freely available in the Google and it's a free language to download. Number 6, extensible. Number 7, improved productivity. By using Python programming language, we can improve the productivity in the various fields. And it's a simple and easy to learn. It supports object-oriented programming language and it's a portable language. Now let's see disadvantages of Python. Number 1, we have speed limitations. Sometimes this problem may occur while running the Python code. And number 2, we have weak in mobile computing and browsers. And number 3, sometimes it restricts some designs to do in the development. And number 4, underdeveloped database access layer. And number 5, is simple to learn. It is the biggest disadvantage we have. Now let's see the applications of Python programming language. So with the help of Python, we can develop web applications, desktop GUI applications, console based applications, software development, scientific and numeric applications, business applications, audio or video applications, 3D CAD applications, enterprise applications, and finally we can develop image processing applications. I hope you all like the video. Kindly share this video to your friends, family members, colleagues and neighbors, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.